So now we are going to know about the Padma Award and Gallantry Award of 2026. So here we start. How many Padma Vibhushan awards have been approved by the President of India for the year 2026? So correct answer is 5. How many Padma Shri awards have been approved by the President of India for the year 2026? So the correct answer is 113. Who among the following has been conferred with the Padma Vibhushan 2026 in the field of art from Maharashtra? So the correct answer is Dharmendra Singh Deol. Question number 4. Which Padma Award has been conferred upon the Indian executive and former CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank Uday Kotak in the year 2026? So the correct answer is Padma Bhushan. The famous Hindustani classical music stalwart and the Padma Vibhushan awardee N. Rajam belongs to which Indian state? Uttar Pradesh. In which category was P. Narayanan awarded the Padma Vibhushan for the year 2026? Literature and Education. The Indian retired tennis player and sports commentator Vijay Amritraj, who has been conferred with the Padma Bhushan 2026, belongs to which country? USA. Which famous playback singer from Maharashtra has been selected for the Padma Bhushan 2026? Alka Yagnik. Former member of the Raj Sabha and ex-governor of Maharashtra, Bhagat Singh Koshyari has been conferred with the Padma Bhushan 2026. He belongs to which state? Uttarakhand. Indian cricketer Rohit Sharma has been conferred with which Padma Award in 2026? Padma Shri. Indian cricketer Harmanpreet Kaur Bhullar, a Padma Shri awardee for 2026, hails from which state? Punjab. Prosenjit Chatterjee has been awarded the Padma Shri 2026 in which award? Art. S.G. Susilama has been conferred with the Padma Shri 2026. Which field is she associated with? Social work. How many gallantry awards have been approved by the President of India on the eve of the 77th Republic Day 2026? 70. Who has been conferred with the Ashoka Chakra for the year 2026? GP Captain Subhanshu Shukla. Which of the following personnel have been conferred with the Kriti Chakra in 2026? So the correct option is 3. That is 2, 3 and 4. That is 2. Major Amrit Singh or Major Arshdeep Singh, GP Captain Prashanth Balkrishnan Nair and NB Sub Dholeswar Subha. How many Shaurya Chakra have been approved by the Government of India for the year 2026? 13. How many awards in the Sena Medal Gallantry category for 2026 were posthumous? 5. How many अति विशिष्ट सेवा medals AVSM and Param Vishisht Seva medals PVSM have been approved by the President of India on the eve of the 77th Republic Day, 56 and 30. Which of the following statement is not correct? It's not correct. Um, Option number 2. The Padma Awards are conferred on the recommendation made by the Padma Awards Committee, which is constituted by the President of India every year. So option number 2 is not correct.